Oh! Go ahead.
Today we're making a drink twice because the first time was kind of a disaster. So
you want to watch it? Because, I mean, do you
Everybody
like
likes
champagne and do you like bourbon?
it's kind of a beautiful
Do you like car wrecks?
Boom.
Boom.
Oh, yeah. Here.
Well, I wouldn't say car.
What?
Wasn't that
What's on?
Welcome to Common Cocktails, where we make cocktails for you. That's Ian, that's Dan, and that's Derek.
That's Ian.
Yep, that's Ian.
Are we shaking part of this, or are we
I don't
just
know.
building in glass?
It says
'Cause
add bourbon, Grand Marnier, orange juice, top of champagne. We can shake it. I think you're
I
right.
think you need to shake it.
Plus, our champagne's not very cold.
There's juice in
It's only good for
Well, you
us.
don't want to shake the champagne.
Here's the drink. It's called the Bourbon Champagne Cocktail. I found this on the internet. Why? Because I'm making a champagne cocktail, and I was like, I saw one variant with bourbon. I'm like, I like bourbon. Check. Submit. We're doing it.
It's always good to have it with. I mean, champagne drinks are good. It's good to add a little bubbly.
Yeah.
Sometimes, like, you need like a little refresher while you're drinking.
Yeah.
You either start off with a refresher, or like maybe you hit it like in the middle, so
Or
you
you-
have like. I mean, you don't drink it all night, but you know it fits in.
It's gonna get hairy later on.
Yeah, you gotta have a little like.
When we get to the porn star
Some-
martini, and you've got a sidecar of champagne that you drink with your drink.
Nice.
Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. So stay tuned for that in January. Oh, last time was Christmas and we missed it. Fuck. Anyway.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, late Christmas,
Ho, ho,
because
ho.
now it's January 6th, I guess. Whatever. This
was on ice.
Cocktail is going to be
Marnier, orange juice.
2 ounces of bourbon, 1 ounce of Grand Marnier, or Grand Gala in my case, because this is a
I
little
feel
bit
like
better.
this shouldn't be diluted because the champagne's going to do kind of the job.
Are you saying you don't want to shake it?
I'm kind of thinking.
Don't shake it, then.
I'm thinking we want the full strength of this with that champagne.
Then do it.
What do you think?
Let's do it.
You sold me on it
But
because
it's
I
just
didn't
like
even
a
think of that.
squeezing a juice, and you can't even see it in here.
All right.
I can go like this if
Then
you
just
want.
build it.
Yeah.
Build it in glass.
It doesn't say to
Build it in
shake
glass.
it, so we'll do it by the instructions. They probably know what they're talking about. So you're going to add bourbon, Grand Marnier, orange juice, and you're going to top with champagne. Chill your
Don't let it
glass
get that water
Don't let it
first.
wet.
in.
That's right.
So we're using an 8-ounce
Are you
coupe
ready?
available at awesomedrinks.com. So there you go. You got your drink base, and then you're going to just top it with champagne. There's no rules. It's a champagne cocktail.
Yeah.
It's going to
You
be
better garnish the
tasty.
shit out of that.
It's pretty.
Get
It's very
it. Come on.
holiday looking. Yeah.
Yeah, we got
Do you need me to open that for you?
Yeah, please.
How are you? Wait.
Yeah.
Slow down. What the fuck is just happening?
I guess so.
Look at that.
I was hoping he couldn't do it, and then I would do it, and then show him.
Oh, that feels good.
Welcome to Common Cocktails. Our executive producer, Stephane Foisy, who's in the chat room right now.
He makes lots of drinks.
Follow
Follow him on Instagram.
True. You should search for Stephane Foisy because now the name's slid up, and follow him on Instagram because he does. He makes drinks that Dan gets jealous. So
I do. He makes
That's-
drinks from us, other people.
Right. Some people tag me in drinks, then there's people who just create drinks, and you're like, whoa, that's like a whole different thing.
Look at that.
Yeah.
God damn.
What is that? Is that mine?
That was on the thing that I pulled out of the thing, so
I mean, you might as well leave it on the fucking thing.
I didn't bring it. I'll say that.
Wait a
Oh,
minute.
but you brought it.
Slow down. You pulled it out of the thing that was on the thing?
Look at
There's one
that.
like that.
Oh, I must have got. I
Where are
probably
you getting
got.
those?
There's a few of these.
You got all fancy?
So
Been eating
here's-
shit like that?
Here's the thing. I got a bunch of samples. And I was like, I totally want to buy those, and I just never did. So those are the samples. And now I feel bad. Like I should have probably sold them because like
I know. I mean,
you're all excited.
Try that drink.
Okay.
I make you try it.
Yeah, because don't let it get warm.
Okay. Because don't let it get warm. He's gonna put it on ice. I get more champagne. Should we just start a whole
it's
new
already
bottle?
warm.
No,
It's
that's
pretty
fine.
warm.
We're good.
Yeah, see, that's why you should have shook.
I'll just get. I got
Yeah.
more bottles.
Yeah.
More beer reviews. Oh,
If the
Justin.
champagne was
I haven't seen
cold, I
Justin
think
in a
we
while.
would've been
Everybody's
better
coming
off.
out.
Yeah.
Woodward.
Damn.
It's on ice. What do you want?
Classic Games Canada asks, is triple sec the same as Grand Marnier? The answer, no! Grand Marnier or Grand Gala, both of these, Grand Gala is like a ripoff of Grand Marnier. It just tastes a little bit better. To me, it's a biased review because that's what we do here. Otherwise,
I don't know. Like, I really
It's-
wanted to like that drink.
it's like a
If
brandy.
the champagne were cold, this would be really good, I think.
I think so. Yeah. Maybe that's the problem. It's a little
Imagine
bitter.
cold
Put an ice cube in
champagne.
it.
my
Put
God.
an ice cube in there.
You guys are killing me on the champagne thing.
Just put an ice cube in it.
Alright.
No, you know what? Shake the burp. I don't know because it's
You
gonna
can't
take a
shake
bit.
it. It's all.
Fucking cold.
I think the displacement.
We'll put it back in there
just
because
right.
we're not
Okay,
gonna do it
cool.
right now.
But you get. Well,
Don't fuck it all up.
Give that a second. As you can see, we're super well organized, professional, and
I'm good. I don't care about time and.
It's a little bitter.
it's good. I think the flavor is good.
It's a little warm.
It needs to be cold.
It definitely needs to be cold.
So maybe spin this around a little bit.
Yeah.
So that's the
Talk while we
problem
make
with the
it cold.
drink, is that this drink requires a very chilled champagne, and if you're doing like we do and you have a lot of drinks, I don't know what
we
you're
only
gonna
have
do.
a slightly chilled champagne.
Yeah,
Bubbles
because
out
there's
there.
no. You're fucked. You can only do.
Look
Just
at that look.
you know what you could do to make this easier is crush the ice. It'll chill it faster.
We need an
But-
ice bucket for champagne.
Yeah.
That's what I'm buying tomorrow.
That's what this is for. We just use it for something else.
For next
That
weekend.
is actually what that's for. he is correct in there. You're gonna buy one tomorrow. You gotta find a good one and then get me one.
Yeah. Try it.
Is
So
it better?
It's a little bit better.
chill your champagne. Chill your.
Moral of the
your
story: we
glass.
did this on purpose to prove the point that you should chill your
There you
champagne.
go.
Yeah, it definitely needs to be cold. It's I
I'll
don't know.
do it
It's a
anyway.
little bitter.
What?
And like
I kind of like the flavor profile though.
It's sweeter.
Why would
I really want to like it.
Okay, so here's where we part ways. You tend to be a big fan of champagne. Me, not so much. Right. So to me, this is
Good
more
champagne,
interesting.
though.
Right. I could drink so I could drink good champagne and recognize what the properties are that make it good because I've done this a lot. Mm-hmm. But as a casual thing, I wouldn't sit down and drink champagne like you would, and I know she would. Although at a party, it's a fun time. But I don't do it like as a hobby.
There's just something like bitter coming like in the back.
That's the bourbon. It's gonna be right because there's no other
don't
things
know.
in here. It's bourbon.
Bourbon, Grand
There's,
Gala.
right. There's the only sweetness is it could maybe be the citrus from the orange juice coming in that you don't like, but Grand Gala has it's not a triple sec, which is a different type of orange. I can't remember Lahara fruit. I think no, that's blue curacao. The triple sec's like 3 oranges. This has a brandy base, so it's like a citrus brandy that they're bringing into the flavors. So that isn't if you just add triple
This
sec, it's gonna be
sometimes
sweet.
I think sometimes like
That's
this
aged
like
sweet.
throws me off a little bit too.
In a margarita, fine. It's
Yeah.
But I don't use that a lot. I try not to use. I don't try to, but I don't have a lot of reason to use Grand Gala or Grand Marnier because I'd rather just have a margarita unadulterated without any of those things. Even maybe a little squirt of citrus or something, but that's it. It should make it taste more mature, but it's bourbon and champagne. I don't think it's that bad. Ian doesn't mind it. I think you're just like
Have an elevated palate.
yeah, you're just elevated too far. You've transcended common man cocktails. Now you're just uncommon man.
I think it's okay. It's all right. I don't know.
He's rare man cocktails.
He's rare man
Could
cocktails.
be epic man
He's
cocktails.
VSOP man cocktails.
I'm bougie man
He's
cocktails.
XO. He's XO man cocktails.
We need a logo for Bougie Man.
It's all right.
It's not.
I
that
think it's
bitter.
okay.
It's not that bitter.
I mean, that's why there's 3 of us, right? If we all agree, then what's the point?
I think the
not very
girls are gonna
interesting.
like.
Yes.
It. I think the girls.
I might just be right. They might
It
be
is
wrong. But
actually
whatever.
the ice is helping. The
Stranger things have happened.
Sure thing. I tried everything.
So the trick, the problem you have is to chill.
I tasted everything.
To make it cold, you need chilled champagne that's as chilled like you just.
I mean,
opened it.
maybe if that's like
Because adding ice
super cold, I wanted
dilutes
to
it.
really like this drink because I love bourbon. I like champagne. I love like bubbly drinks.
That's the problem. His
It's just-
expectations were
yeah. Maybe it's just I don't know.
We'll see what they think.
Maybe I'll have to retry it.
Hold
like,
on.
with something really
you
cold.
you guys fill.
All right.
You're doing a shitty job
So
filling.
I don't know. So we're gonna have to do a taste test with like Grand Gala and
I think we could probably
Grand Marnier.
remake this with a chilled champagne.
with the cool
yeah,
champagne?
yeah, we could do that.
Because, like I said, I don't think the flavor profile's bad. I know you have a She's not a fan.
Oh, she's got a bougie. She's bougie too.
Yeah. Well, when it comes to champagne and wine, you guys
Yeah,
have an
I
elevated
don't like the
palate. So
flavors. There is a bitter aftertaste.
She's
Oh.
gonna be fine
Let's
with
see.
it.
No.
Look, you can see her face. She's already fine with it. She's losing it. Like it's just going downhill. This is like Bitcoin.
It's
She's
like
like,
flat or something.
Yeah, there's-
Bitter.
oh no, wait, the other
It's
girl.
It's just I don't know. Like I really wanted it. I almost wanted it to feel like cozy, like,
Yeah.
and it just didn't have. I don't
I
know.
don't
It
know
didn't.
if they go together.
Okay,
To be
so
It's
honest.
not working.
I guess that's just how it is. So here's the deal: you need to go make this drink If you don't like any other drink this holiday, this is the drink to make. And then you leave a comment and tell us what you think. 'Cause
It might be different with a different bourbon, a different
I agree
champagne.
with that comment. I think
Yeah.
bourbon needs to be different, and it's not Prosecco.
All right, let's make it. Oh no, we don't. We have a cold one. Okay, let's redo it really quick.
Real bird.
Oh yeah, you can light that on fire if you want to. Too late. You can't light it on fire with soap. Cold? Make it quick! Oh my god! If we don't make it super fast, that's gonna be higher proof too. So we have this one.
Which may be good.
Yeah, and Ian, squeeze a little more orange juice in it.
Merry New Year, Happy
It's
Christmas.
It was flat, like it almost.
Well, he did debubble it a
Can
little
you
bit.
can you squeeze it a little bit?
I don't know.
Yeah. You squeeze first, though.
No, I wouldn't debubble it. I
know.
would just.
She said, "Oh, you,
I wouldn't debubble it.
What
I
is
would
this?
Add more.
the
I
fuck is
wouldn't
going on?
debubble it.
I would add more orange.
Did you get that?
I like the lower hand does better.
What? Did I miss
I
something?
did an upper decker
You guys
instead.
are gay.
Ah! Oh fuck! That hurt my ass.
Explain to me what else it would have hurt.
Ah!
Maybe your
That
testicles.
was like a. I'm
I know.
squeezing it for you.
Damn!
I was waiting for a. Yeah, that's enough. No, that's okay. I'll figure it
I'm
out.
a little disturbed.
Oh yes, I
I'm mad.
I already have.
Shit!
This is awesome. I need new bloopers. I just put out a blooper reel. I have nothing new. You just created my first 2022 blooper reel.
Did you get Dan trying everything?
I don't know. Did I got everything on
I
camera?
haven't watched it yet, so I know that's on camera on the live stream.
Alright, you gotta put those.
no.
No, I don't think
You have to put the same garnishes in, Ian.
Working.
Well, this is a different.
Wait a minute.
So
Hold on.
different
We can
champagne.
solve this. We can solve this.
No,
This
that-
champagne's alright. I mean, it's okay.
Fresh.
Got it.
Oh, then I'm
It's
gonna.
because they
eat
each
this
want a
one.
cherry, basically. One of them is a cherry now.
Nice. You didn't share that. Like, thanks. I was gonna come steal that.
You can have
Slap
it.
that
No,
hand.
go ahead.
He slapped me right in that butt.
I just licked it. It's fine.
All
He
right.
dumped it in alcohol.
How about 2 cherries?
Oh, he's got 2 cherries.
Okay, never mind.
Yeah.
Pull one back.
No. You keep 2 because they'll want it. No fight.
What? No, she's already at it. It's gone.
She'll eat another
Oh, I
one.
got another one. Oh, she gets 2?
Yep.
You don't have to see
All right.
this. We just have to drink it. So this is the definitive answer to the
Diana put
question.
Ian in the chat.
What's that?
It said Diana put you in the chat. Your emoji.
Oh, yeah.
It's better, not really.
No, it's still the
It's not
same.
better.
Yeah, huh? Like this is what Ian's for.
Ooh, it's definitely
Yeah, totally. This one's better.
Because you can taste the
Definitely.
bourbon a little bit more.
Yeah.
I guess it's cold.
You almost need like a sweeter bourbon.
So not a high proof.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did the sweeter bourbon. That was the
Something
first
that's pretty
drink.
good.
No, but that bourbon, like I said, this is like a beginner's bourbon.
I know.
What, Elijah
So it's
Craig?
sweeter.
No.
No.
The riverboat.
Paddle wheel.
Like
Paddle
when
wheel.
I mean when you're on a riverboat like 100 years ago, like
This stuff.
a paddle wheel. Yeah. Shit.
He's got to figure it out.
Yeah.
It's better.
Thank you.
It's better.
Thank you, Art Dizzy.
It's not as.
I agree. There needs.
I had to get the
be
syrup off the
like
cherry
a-
so it wasn't affecting the cocktail too much. That's what the.
It's just like it
12
doesn't have.
is
enough
I think you almost need it.
flavor, I think.
Yeah.
I think
Well,
if you add some
I-
cherry like in there,
You could put some cherry juice. I didn't want to.
if you put some cherry
was
juice in
trying
there,
to-
it might be better.
Yeah, but it's
I
not
was
the
trying
recipe.
to
You need, like, a
reproduce.
sweet
Yeah, the
element,
same exact same
which
thing,
I
so you can
never
make sure it
asked
was the
for.
temperature.
But
Yeah.
you need it's something.
Exactly.
Something needs to like.
I was trying
give it
to.
flavor.
I was trying to create with the same baseline I did before, which didn't have
Oh,
cherry
that's
juice
better,
in
though.
it.
You get
Yeah.
more
So
It's
that
much
we're
better.
comparing. Yeah.
But maybe like
It's not as flat.
Maybe put a little cherry juice.
It's
in it.
definitely like I mean maybe if you use like your favorite bourbon and like what you like for bubbles, you smash it together and it'll be the best.
Cherry.
I think that's better.
I
Yeah,
think
it
the
is
combination is important.
It's almost
Sorry.
there. Just a
How they
little
play, because
cherry
remember
juice.
we did. Remember when
I'm
we
over
did
here.
the rum and Coke tasting and we
Yeah.
tried 9 different rums with Coke?
Yeah.
And some rums were good rums, but they were just terrible with Coke.
Yes. Yeah.
Right? So I think the combination can have
Not
a
a
big
lot,
impact
like,
on
yeah.
the,
Yes.
Yeah.
the
Okay.
end
Yeah.
effect.
Because you don't want to. You don't want to like ruin
Kill the
it.
bubbles.
I think I think you have
Kill
to
the
use
bubbles.
more of a sweeter bourbon and a drier like prosecco or like
Yeah, that's
champagne.
better. Use that.
Well, why would it not be better? You just added sugary goodness to it.
Well, that's what it needed, she said. So.
It needed
You can make
sugary.
anything better. You
This
make a
drink
pina colada
needs
better with it.
sugary goodness.
You can make absinthe out of
Yeah.
that.
It's better.
Bro, everything that you put in Luxardo is better, including my tongue.
What?
It's still all right.
Someone's eating his tongue or something.
It's still like
It's still good.
I give it like a B. It's like a B drink.
B's pretty good. If I
It's
got
like
a
a
B,
B.
I'd be happy with a B.
Maybe like a C minus.
I don't know.
Yeah, I would add a little bit of the cherry, but I like cherry.
It's alright.
So this just turned into a deconstruction video to try to make it better.
It does depend on like, I would take like your favorite bourbon.
Your favorite champagne.
Yeah, whatever you like for champagne or Prosecco, like whatever you drink for bubbles, and put them together and give it a try.
That's it. We did it. January 6th is in the books.
Done.
Sidebar.
Drink it.
I don't even know. Champagne
gonna be-
cocktails.
Drinks. There's gonna be someone cleaning in your kitchen. It's good.
It's all good.
Ah!
We're teaching you how to drink.
Damn it.